Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and to another instalment in the Copper and Wood Chute Mountain Railroad. I hope you enjoyed the cab rides I presented last week. This week it's time to get the railroad dismantled and packed into a U-Haul trailer for the trip to Arizona. It was a completely different story from the last railroad I had to dismantle. I had the same help working for me, and this time we dismantled and packed it up in about an hour and a half. A far cry from the 6 full days it took to dismantle the Sydney project, and another 3/4 of a day to pack it into a 40-foot shipping container. Anyway, some of my viewers have been asking for time-lapse videos again, and I felt this was a good opportunity to set them up. I set up both of them for two slightly different viewpoints, and I'm glad I did that because the close-up camera wasn't pointing in quite the right direction. But I hope you will forgive me for that slight error. Anyway, without further waffling, let's just head out into the workshop and get it packed up for delivery. Well, it's Thursday evening. I finished the railroad a couple of days ago. I have my help just arrived to get it dismantled and packed into a U-Haul trailer. This is going to be a lot less involved than the other one, than the Sydney project. I think we should have this done very soon, maybe even as little as an hour. I'm just going to turn the camera off, have the time-lapse cameras running, and I will talk to you again when it's done. Well, here is everything packed up. It's a 5x8 U-Haul trailer, and it went in easily. I knew there was plenty of space. I didn't even bother with a packing diagram. The two corner L-shaped pieces are put in the front corners of the trailer with the fragile mountains at the top where there's nothing close to them. And then everything is tied, wedged, and in some cases screwed to the rails. This was the one bit that I was a little worried about. That bridge down there,
but the creeper is in such a position where it guards it and nothing can possibly slide against it. And then I've just gradually worked my way down to a single layer of boxes at the back, so the whole floor is covered and nothing can move. I also raided all my guest bedrooms, got a whole load of pillows and comforters, everything I wasn't using myself. So that's going to be a full back seat in my truck on the return trip. Anyway, I've still got some packing to do. I need to figure out exactly what tools I'm taking with me, pack those up, and those will just go on the back seat of the truck. I'm not going to try to add anything else to the trailer.
Well, that's all for this week's video. Hope you enjoyed the show, found it useful or interesting or both. And I hope you will join me in Arizona next week to get the thing put back together again. In the meantime, thanks for watching and bye for now.